What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you a property in Las Salvias, which is here in Ajijic village on Lake Chapala. Welcome back to another video, guys. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. My name is Varney and I upload videos every single week talking about the real estate market here in Mexico, showing you homes, doing interviews, giving you podcasts. Come with me, guys. The video is on its way. Welcome to Ángel Flores. 3 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, 2 floors, with a heated swimming pool. You've got views of the lake, the mountain. You have space for off-street parking for 1 vehicle. Let me walk you through. The construction is 396 square meters and the lot size is 855 square meters. Here to my left-hand side will take you around to the garden. So all the bedrooms are on this level as we come in, but I want to take you up to the main living area first. Coming into the main living area, which in the middle of the living area, you've got this really nice gas fireplace that heats both sides. Not that you even need a fireplace here in this part of Mexico, but it's a nice feature. The seating area, the lounge, and then takes you out onto the terrace, which is facing south towards Lake Chapala. Great size room. So here, this is where the west facing terrace is, and this is where you're gonna get some great views of the mountain. This is a sunset terrace. And so in the daytime, in the morning, really cool. In the afternoon, that's when when the sun would hit. So we're going to walk out to the south-facing terrace. They've got a nice seating area here. The house does come partially furnished. It's a really pleasant place to come and sit and have breakfast. A view of Las Salvias behind the house that is heading up to the mountains. Most houses up here are at least $500,000 or more, depending on the size of lot and on the size of construction and if the house was recently refurbished. So coming back in from the west, nice sized kitchen with the granite surfaces, plenty of storage. So now I'm going to take you downstairs where you'll find the master bedroom, the guest bedroom. Master bedroom with some sliding doors to go out to the south-facing terraza. Coming into really lovely size ensuite bathroom with 2 separate sinks. Let's walk you out into the south-facing covered terraza. Has a bar area. This is where I'll be spending most of my time if I had this property, for sure. Near the pool with my kids. Really good sized pool if you like swimming. You can get some laps in here easily. So outside, this is the outside bar area with a fridge. Great sized garden with some fruit trees, avocado tree. Here we have another bedroom, but I want to take you down just to show you all these little nooks and crannies. You know, I like to show you all these different areas of a house. You've got some storage in here. Also, you can come up this way to the west facing terraza. So that's pretty handy. Let's take you down to the garden just to give you some different views. Coming down here, you have an extra storage area that could be turned into something. I'm guessing it could be the roof is a little bit low in certain areas under the house, but with a bit of imagination, I think that this area could be turned into a cute little casita. Is that a scorpion? That's the biggest scorpion I have ever seen. So, this is a big area. I mean, it could be turned into a little casita. You can also come and walk around here to the front of the house, but I'm going to walk you into the garden just to give you some views of the home from down here. I really like the garden. It's very pleasant. Nice and fresh under the tree as well. It's a hot day today. We're gonna go back up this way so you can see the side of the property, and then what I'll do is I'm gonna show you the garage. And so you've also got some steps to come up here onto the terraza. This is where we came into the property. Oh, look at this gorgeous tree. Nice high walls to mention here that are protected with a metal spike. So no one's going to be jumping over there in a hurry. Of course, it's an electric garage, so you just come in here with your buzzer. So there we have it, guys. Thank you so much for coming along and coming to check out this cracking property here in Las Salvias today with me. As per usual, I will leave all the details down below in the description. Just check out in the description. And if you would like to come and see this property with me, it'd be my pleasure to come and show it to you. I just want to say thank you to the listing agent for allowing me to video his listing today. Much appreciated. Thank you so much, guys. Thanks for watching as usual. Stay tuned. Remember to check out the podcast, The Rich Varney Show, link in the description down below. And if you're new, hit that notification button, subscribe to the page, give it a thumbs up, guys. It helps greatly the channel get out to more people. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you all in the next video. Hasta luego, amigos.